उस फाइट में हूँ जिसमें प्रतिका रावल है। प्रतिका वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन बन चुकी है टीम, और बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब एक खुशखबरी की बात है। और आपका भी उतना ही कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन रहा है जितना उन 11 प्लेयर्स का था जिन्होंने फाइनल खेला, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अनफॉर्चुनेट रहा, इंजरी हो गई आपको, फाइनल नहीं खेल पाए। लेकिन ये पूरी जर्नी किस तरह से देख रही हैं आप?
The World Cup journey, I mean, see, as a young cricketer, it's everyone's dream to play the World Cup. And I was fortunate enough to be in the team, be in the squad. You know, I played all the matches, so God has been always in my favor. So I cannot ask for anything else. And obviously, India winning the World Cup is like the cherry on top. That's a dream that everyone was having for a very long time. You could see the emotions yesterday. I could not control mine. That was the max. I was excited yesterday. So there were a lot of emotions being on that injury part. So that's I believe it's a phase that comes in every player's life. More or less, when you go out, when you perform with your 100%, it's okay to get injured. So I don't take it in a very negative way that I got injured. I think it's still part of God's plan. So I'm just hoping that I recover soon and get back.
यस, और आप जब टीम में आई तब यही था कि जी प्रतिका रावल जिस तरह से रन्स बनाती है और जिस कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ रन्स बनाती है, तो वर्ल्ड कप को लेकर किस तरह से आपने तैयारी की थी? और हमने आंकड़े भी देखे थे स्टैट्स के हिसाब से, यू एंड स्मृति बेस्ट ओपनिंग पेयर हो किसी भी टीम के लिए, तो उस लिहाज से आपकी क्या तैयारी रही थी वर्ल्ड कप के लिए?
So see, as a child, I was too much into like doing a lot of batting. That's one thing that my coach Nikhil has taught me. You know, bat for long hours. If you can bat longer hours in the practice, then definitely you're gonna bat for longer hours in the match. So that's how the preparation was. Also, I had a lot of chats with the coach, you know, in the way in which I can progress, the way I can be an asset to the team. Looking at my strengths, so my thing is to build an innings, good team, and just finish it off later on. So there are 3 phases of it, and to be very honest, I've had multiple conversations throughout the day with my coach, and I wanna I don't know how to put this in words, but it's her actually. This is actually a more refined version of me that the whole world is seeing. But it's her efforts. That I don't know how to express it, but उनका जितना efforts मेरे practice को लेके था, वो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ कि मेरे coach. So that's one thing that has been a blessing for me. Apart from that, there are a lot of discussions in the team. How we can take on the power play, how we can assess the middle overs, what all run rates that we need to play in order to get a big total. At the same time, what all we need to do in order to break down the total so we can chase it earlier, maybe have a lot of wickets in hand. So there are a lot of things, technical things as well as mental things that helps me be consistent.
आपका न्यूजीलैंड वाला मैच था जहाँ पर आपकी भी सेंचुरी आई, स्मृति की भी सेंचुरी आई, और लगातार आप दोनों की पार्टनरशिप को लेकर बात होती है। तो व्हाट इज दैट स्पेशल थिंग अबाउट स्मृति एंड यू प्लेइंग टुगेदर? क्या स्पेशल है?
I think our simplicity is the one thing that defines us. I said that a lot of times we love playing our parts. We both know कि हमें क्या करना है मैच में. We both are mature enough to understand the situation that the team requires. In that frame, she never bothers me, and I never interfere with her game, and that's basic understanding, and that's a basic trust between the two of us that whenever we're playing together, we're gonna get runs.
थोड़ा सा इनिशियल जर्नी आपकी जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि विमेंस क्रिकेट और एज अ यंग गर्ल जब आपने इसको परस्यू करने का सोचा कि मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना है, तब ये नहीं सोचा होगा वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन बन जाएंगे, लेकिन आप इस तरह से इसको किस तरह से बताते हैं कि तब आपने क्रिकेट चुना और वो जर्नी जो रही इनिशियल टाइम उसके बारे में?
It might sound cocky, but from the very start I thought of myself as a world champion.
Wow,
So
that's manifestation.
yeah. So whenever I took up the sport, I still remember my mom saying कि जब भी खेलना तो टीम को जिताना. That's one thing that has stuck with me. The similar thing my coach used to say. I call her Didi. So whenever she used to talk to me, and I was like, hey, Didi, कि यार ऐसे कैसे होगा. She's like, have faith. Things are gonna go well for you. You know, just have to have faith in yourself, have believe in yourself. So my initial journey was I used to. So there was one phase in my life when I used to play basketball and cricket. So I had to choose one of them in order to make it a professional thing because managing both of them was very difficult. So, and I was doing studies as well. I was doing psychology, so it was very difficult for me. So I had to, pursue a career that I loved the most, which was cricket. So I can never get over cricket. It's one thing that I love doing. After that, very fortunate that I met her, and she found that X factor in me. She found that I'm capable enough to represent the country at the highest stage and score a lot of runs. So. It's more or less simple. It's just like any other way. I've put in a lot of work in the practice sessions. I've had a lot of personality development to reach where I am right now. Apart from that, my parents have been extremely supportive. There's not one time in my life that I felt that my parents are against me. Even in my lows, even at my highs. They are the most happiest, and most proud parents, and they show it.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
so-
You've made them proud.
Yeah. So my dad, my mom, my brother, they all are part of this journey, and this world is for all of them.
Shefali Verma, she was not part of the squad and she came as your replacement. And she got only 2 matches. Before the match उन्होंने ये बात कही कि बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि प्रतिका दीदी उनको इंजरी हो गई लेकिन मैं उनकी जगह आई हूँ. आई वांट टू मेक माय मार्क एंड शी डिड दैट.
Yeah.
उनकी परफॉर्मेंस पर क्या कहना है?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, Shefali has this huge respect, like from my side. I mean, I think we were playing the under-23 match against Haryana, and she scored a 100, and I was leading that side. And from that day onwards, I had this massive respect for her, and I genuinely like her as a player. And what she did for our team is amazing. It's very difficult when you come into a semi-final. There's a lot of pressure, and she handled it very well. And we could see that in the final, she was player of the match. So anything that's going to help India, it's amazing for all of us.
जेमी ने हमारे इंटरव्यू में कहा कि दिस टीम इज़ डिफरेंट. ये टीम जहाँ पर हर प्लेयर हमारे जब लोज भी आए, हम लगातार 3 मैचेस आ रहे, हमने एक दूसरे का वो साथ दिया. तो आपके हिसाब से आप इस टीम को किस तरह से देखते हैं?
This team feels like a family. I mean, whenever there were lows, we could discuss it with each and every teammate. We can have our vulnerabilities shown to the other teammate, and at the same time, they were not judgmental. They were supportive. So I think the bonding between the team is the most important asset. So I mean, it's the bonding, it's the understanding that this team can do well. Having faith in all 15 of us, 16 now. So, so it's that belief that at any stage we can turn the games around, and we have that kind of abilities. We have a lot of match winners. Everyone showcased that. So I think the combination was perfect. The bond was perfect.
I took a lot of your time. Just last question. On a bigger picture, on a bigger umbrella, this team has won World Cup. It is the first time women's team has won a World Cup. तो उस लिहाज से आपको क्या लगता है ये किस तरह से एक रेवोल्यूशन, किस तरह से टर्निंग पॉइंट होगा वुमेन्स क्रिकेट के लिए, और अब कहीं ना कहीं जो यंग गर्ल्स आ रही हैं उनको भी मोटिवेशन मिलेगी ये स्पोर्ट जो है इसे चुनने के लिए?
So to be very honest, the revolution started when our seniors started playing. So when I took up the sport, I had no idea about women cricket. I took up the sport when I was very young. So the first person, the first few seniors that I saw was Julanti, Mithali Di, Harman Di, or 171 now. So that revolution started long back, but the result that we all were waiting for to happen. Yeah. So I think it's gonna inspire a lot of girls, just like me when I was young. It's gonna inspire a lot of Pratika, a lot of Jemmy, a lot of Shefali, a lot of Deepthi. So I'm very happy that I'm a part of this journey. Inspiring a lot of young girls so that they can take this sport and make it a professional thing.
Thank you so much, Pratika. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
joining in. I hope you get recovered ASAP. Thank you.